And the police in Manchester and St. James are also investigating 2 double murders in the parishes. As Sandy Williams reports, residents are calling for the police to do more to fix crime and violence.
A crime scene in the community of Finegrass in Shudley, Manchester this morning. About 9 o'clock, residents heard explosions coming from a bar and alerted the police. The bodies of 2 men were later discovered. One has been identified as Kenneth Hutchinson, otherwise known as Deportee. 2 injured persons were taken to hospital. Our news center was told that a gunman carried out the attack.
A lone gunman came into the establishment and she heard a shot fired. She thought it was a salute to the music that was playing. When she turned around, she seen the first one drop in the shop and the gunman exited and dropped this one outside. There's a 3rd car also right over there in the grass where the owner was also shot.
And over in St. James, the police are investigating the murder of 2 men in Dumfries last night. They have been identified as 31-year-old Adolphus Holder, also called Gold Ball, of Pengate, Dumfries, and 22-year-old Giovanni Gordon of Johnson Hill, Salt Marsh in Trelawney. According to reports, about 1:45 a.m., the men were among a group of people at a party when they were attacked by armed men who fired on the group. Holder and Gordon were found suffering from gunshot wounds. In the meantime, Miguel Samuels, a pastor in the community, believes social intervention is not the solution to the crime situation in St. James.
You see the gang, what the gangs are for, so Jesus Christ is the only way, and if we come to God and look to and just love is the greatest thing, because if it was love, what happened last night would never happen.
And back in Manchester, residents are calling for the police to do more.
I start to see how the crime rate has turned up in the country, and you know, the police force to me need a revivement in crime fight. You know, a perimeter should have been set up, I feel, up at the Homewood gate, because the girl say he ran off right around the corner from where you're looking on the road there. You see what I'm saying? So if they set a perimeter up at the Homewood gate and all that, they probably do a better effect than here unraveling yellow tape to run yellow tape.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.